Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Polynomials Part 2. In this session, we are going to discuss with practice set 3.1. Friends, in the previous session of this polynomial part 1st, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter, and those are introduction to the polynomials, types of polynomials that are based on the number of terms, then degrees of a polynomial in one variable, and degrees of a polynomial in more than one variable, that is the multivariable, then types of the polynomials that are based on the degree. And today in this session we are going to discuss with the practice set 3.1 that are based on the above content. So let us start with practice set 3.1. So problem number 1, state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials. Justify. First, that given is y plus 1 upon y. So for in 1 upon y is minus 1, that is a negative number. Second, 2 minus 5 root of x. Here the solution, this is also no, because index of x in the term 5 root x is half, that is 0.5, a decimal number, which is not expected for the polynomials. Third, x square plus 7x plus 9. Here in this you could find that it is a polynomial, it is an algebraic expression. Since all the coefficients are real numbers, also the index of each term is a whole number. Fourth one, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. Here you could see that 2m square, it has a negative index or the power, therefore this is not a polynomial since the term 2m minus 2, it is a negative number. Fifth one, 10, here you can say yes, it is a polynomial since because 10 is a constant polynomial. Let us see now problem number 2. Write the coefficients of m cube in each of the given polynomial. So number 1 is m cube. Here for the solution we can write that it is a coefficient 1. Second, minus 3 by 2 plus m minus root of 3 m cube. Here you could see that minus root 3 m cube has a coefficient of minus 1. Here you can see that m cube minus 2 upon 3 m cube, the coefficient is minus 2 upon 3. Write the polynomials in x using the given information. Here monomial with a degree 7. So the solution for this or writing the polynomial in x will be 3x raised to 7 having a degree 7. Binomial with a degree 35. So here we can write the polynomial in x having a degree 35 as you could see x raised to 35 minus 1. Two terms are there, binomial. Now third, trinomial with degree 8. So here we have to write the polynomial in x, that is the trinomial having degree 8. So we will use the variable x. So it will be 2x raised to 8 plus 3x raised to 6 plus x raised to 5 plus 2. Now problem number 4. Write the degree of the given polynomials. Out of this, number first is root of 5. Here you could see it is a constant polynomial. Therefore root of 5 could be written as root of 5 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1. Therefore here the degree of the given polynomial is equal to 0. Now consider second, x raised to 0, as here we could see that x raised to 0 it is a, you can write root x raised to 0 as degree of this polynomial will be equal to 0, since they have given already x raised to 0. So friends, let us consider problem number 3. X square means its degree will be 2. Now fourth one, root 2 m raised to 10 minus 7. Here you can see the given polynomial is the highest power having m raised to 10, means power is 10, index is 10, therefore you can write degree of the polynomial is equal to 10. Now fifth one, 2p minus root of same 1. Here you could find the highest power or index of this p is 1, therefore degree of the polynomial is equal to 1. Sixth, 7y minus y cube plus y raised to 5. Here you can see that the highest power of this y is 5, therefore degree of the given polynomial will be equal to 5. Now seventh one, xyz plus xy minus z. Friends, here you could find that the sum of the powers of x, y and z in the term xyz is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So which is the highest sum of the power in the given polynomial, therefore degree of the polynomial here will be equal to 3. Now eighth one, m raised to 3 n raised to 7 minus 3 m raised to 5 n plus mn. Friends, here the sum of the powers of m and n in the term m cubes n raised to 7 is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, which is the highest sum of the powers in the given polynomial. Therefore, you can write the degree of the polynomial is equal to 10. Now we'll consider problem number 5. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomials. Friends, the given first expression is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Here this 2x square plus here this 5p is a linear polynomial. Now third one, root 2 minus half. Here you could see that root 2 minus half is a linear polynomial again. Now fourth, m cube plus 7m square plus 5 by 2m minus root of 7. Friends, here you could see that m cube plus 7m square plus 5 by 2m minus root of 7 is a cubic polynomial, since the power is 3 here, or index is 3, the highest index. Next, a square. Here you could see that a square is a quadratic polynomial, since its power is 2. Sixth one, 3r cube. Here you could see that 3r cube is a cubic polynomial. The variable r has the highest index 3. Now let us see problem number 6. Write the following polynomials in the standard form. First is m cube plus 3 plus 5m. Here you could see 3 terms having the highest index m3 is first, then constant term, then again 5m. So we should have to write it in a standard form, and that could be written as the standard form is m cube plus 5m plus 3. The index should be in the decreasing order. Now minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus half plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. Friends, here you can see that the standard form for this polynomial with the variable y is y raised to 5 plus 2y raised to 4 plus 3y cube minus y square minus 7y minus half. Now let us see one more problem number 7. Write the following polynomials in the coefficient form. X cube minus 2, it is a polynomial. Here we can write that x cube minus 2 as a decreasing order of their indices. X cube has the x variable in a decreasing order of their indices, that is x cube, then x square, then x. Therefore the red color shown gives you the coefficients of the given polynomials. So the coefficient form of the given polynomial will be 1, 0, 0, minus 2. Now problem number 2 now, pi y is given, therefore you will write this pi y is equal to pi y plus 0. The constant term is not there, that we have to consider 0. Therefore the coefficient form of the given polynomial will be equal to 5 and 0. Now next is 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. Friends, here it is given that 2m raised to 4 and minus 3m square plus 7. In decreasing order we will write that one. 2m raised to 4, 3 index is not there, therefore we will take plus 0m cube minus 3m square plus 0m plus 7. The red colored you have to consider as a coefficients. Therefore the coefficient of the given polynomial is equal to 2, 0, minus 3, 0 and 7. Fourth problem we will consider now. Friends, you could see that's minus 2 upon 3 here. Simply minus 2 upon 3 itself is a coefficient, therefore coefficient of the given constant polynomial will be minus 2 upon 3. Now problem number 8 we will consider. Write the polynomials in the index form. They are given in the coefficient form. Coefficients are 1, 2 and 3. Therefore we can write that number of the coefficients is 3. Therefore degree we will consider, the degree will come up 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore taking x as the variable, the index form can be written as x square plus 2x plus 3. All are the positive numbers, integers. 5, 0, 0, 0. Degree of this will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. Therefore taking x as a variable, the index form will be 5x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1. Third one, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. Friends, here again number of coefficients that we find are 4. Therefore degree will be equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Therefore taking x as a variable, the index form of this will be minus 2x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Friends, we will consider now problem number 9. Write the appropriate polynomials in the boxes. The problem given is like this. It is just like activity based problem. You can see we have to write the quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials, linear polynomials, binomial, trinomial and monomial among the polynomials given in the oval shape circle. Those are x plus 7, first polynomial, then x square, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5, then 2x square plus 5x plus 10, x cube plus 9, 3x square plus 5x. These are 6 different polynomials we have to divide among these, that is quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, linear polynomial, binomial, trinomial and monomial. Let us start with the first, that is quadratic polynomial, and those are x square, 2x square plus 5x plus 10, then 3x square plus 5x. These 3 are the quadratic polynomials among these given 6 different polynomials. Now second we have to consider cubic polynomials, and those are x cube plus x square plus x plus 5 and x cube plus 9. These are the cubic polynomials having a largest index. Those are x plus 7, x cube plus 9 and 3x square plus 5x. Means only 2 terms are expected in the binomial polynomial. Then in trinomials you could find 3, that is 2x square plus 5x plus 10, this one. Then last monomial having the single one, that is the x square. So friends, this is what the practice set 3.1. I think you understood all the problems. Practice, see again and again the videos, you will get easily understand this one. So friends, what we have discussed today in this session are the following subtopics, and those are introduction to the polynomials that we have already learned, the types of the polynomials that are based on the number of terms, and then degree of the polynomials in one variable, degree of the polynomials in more than one variable, that is a multivariable, and types of the polynomials based on the degree. Out of these 5 different points, this practice set 3.1 was based. So we have been discussed the different problems that are based in this practice set 3.1. So friends, will you try this? Write the degree of the polynomials for each of the following: 5 plus 3x square 7, and third was ax raised to 7 plus bx raised to 9, and here a, b are the constants. Write the following polynomials in the standard form: 4x square plus 7x raised to 4 minus x cube minus x plus 9, and the second is p plus 2p cube plus 10p raised to 2 plus 5p4 minus 8. Write the following polynomials in the coefficient form: x4 plus 16, and second is m5 plus 2m square plus 3m plus 15. Write the index form of the polynomials using variable x from its coefficient form. So and 0. Friends, should not forget the famous words of this Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends, and press the bell icon in order to have a next notification of the videos. With these words, I would like to say thank you.